Cheers, this is my bedroom. This is my bed. This is my bed. Alright, so you've probably already seen I'm here at Off-Grid Tiny Homes, and they've ripped off all the cladding because I won't go into it, but this was the old cladding, new stuff. As you can see right now, they've had to put new one of these on. But yeah, it still looks still here. Upstairs. Yoo-hoo! And there's gonna be a railing coming down here. We'll stop right here. Let's have a look at the kitchen. Pretty good. Look at that. Let's close it. Everything's soft close in this tiny house, which is I'm very happy about. This one, what's this one? Oh! Hey! Put my bin in there. Good. Washing machine or dishwasher would go in there. Got some extra cabinetry here. That would go here. Cooking. And then my TV's gonna go right here. Looking at getting a thing put across here where I can put my food on, lift that up, put the technology in there. These more storage, all of these, this one too. And get a square coffee table put there. If you need to go to the toilet, you just open that and just feel like I'm on a train. My bedroom. Gonna be my little desk space if I need to do some stuff. yet. Tons. Tons of space. I'm actually going to get a heated towel rack. That. Soft close. This one too. Hello. And there's like PowerPoints everywhere. Yeah. This is the New York style shower.